Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of presumably. This is used to indicate that the assertions are very probable, but not certain. For example, the Yakima Indians presumably came from Asia by way of the Bering Strait. American pronunciation. Presumably. Presumably. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Presumably. Say. Presumably. Presumably means, used to convey that what is asserted is very likely though not known for certain. Presumably. Presumably. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He presumably sees nothing wrong in using the police for propaganda purposes. Now, repeat after me. He presumably sees nothing wrong in using the police for propaganda purposes. The second practice. If monetary policy were inappropriate, presumably risks would never be in balance. Now, repeat after me. If monetary policy were inappropriate, presumably risks would never be in balance.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.